Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome here to beautiful sunny California. It's a hot one. Good news, bad news. Bad news, we're only in town for 27 hours, but good news, we're flying home to see Oski Pup tomorrow. Welcome to Santa Fe Springs, California. We are headed to the Brixton Forge, Southern California headquarters because we have very good news regarding the Aventador wheels. We're only in Southern California for 27 hours, but we have three main goals. First goal, Aventador wheels, Brixton Forge wheels, that's where we're headed right now. Koenigseggs and Raising Cane's. Hey, can you blame a guy? I need my chicken. They don't have Raising Cane's in Utah. I cannot wait to see these new wheels. We kind of sort of went with a risky color choice, but hey, never doubt, full send. It is going to be a game changer. Cody at Brixton, he sent me a rendering of the wheels on the purple Aventador. Oh, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. The wheels are right inside. We are getting exclusive, unparalleled, behind the scenes access here at Brixton. We're going to start over here. This is where the wheel process begins, and it slowly works its way to back there where powder coating happens. That's where my wheels are right now. We're going to head there soon. Just wait, just wait. My Brixton Forge wheels start off kind of like this. It's basically an 80-pound solid block of aluminum, aerospace aluminum, and this machine right here turns that into that. How crazy is that? So I have the one-piece forged wheels. We're gonna see the wheels soon, don't worry. Don't try this at home. We are going to sacrifice this GoPro for the viewers, for the vlog. We're gonna try to get a time lapse of the CNC machine in motion. It could go well. The GoPro could also end up in that grinder, and that's a bad day, but it's worth the risk. The wheel that's being milled in the CNC machine right now, that is gonna look just like this. Look at all of these intricate details. So this wheel face spent about 2.5 hours in the CNC machine. Wheel number one is prepped and ready to be powder coated. Looks so good. I cannot wait to see these on the Aventador, the PF10 Ultra Sports. Whoa. I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to go gloss white because it's a little bit of a risky choice. It is gonna look so good on the purple. So these wheels are gonna be boxed up tonight. They should be in Utah in like 5 days, which means they're gonna be on the Aventador in like 5 days. The wheels are going into the oven to be baked. They'll be in there for like 30 to 40 minutes. I can just feel the heat coming out of that thing. My Brixton wheels started out like this. It's a solid piece of aerospace aluminum. They're put into that machine and they're turned into one of these, and then they're in the CNC machine and they turn into one of these, and then they go over there for powder coating. So crazy to think that my wheels used to look like this. Enjoy one last look at the Brixton Forged wheels, because the next time you see them in about 1 week, they're gonna be in Utah being mounted on the Aventador. Next week cannot come fast enough. Like, I kind of hesitated, I sort of doubted, I was unsure of the gloss white, almost went conservative, you know, with a silver or a black or like a bronze, but that gloss white is gonna look killer. So we are now headed to a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America. Yeah, well, yeah, it is in America. So only in LA is there a green light and nobody's moving, so God bless Utah. The last time I was parked here, my rental car was hit by a drunk driver. So really the only goal the rest of the evening is to not have my rental car hit by a drunk driver. How we're going to achieve that, haven't figured it out. We're just gonna hope and pray. We're gonna scratch that. We're not gonna test our luck again. We're gonna park the Jetta right there, so yeah. Much better parking spot. Carson remembers the drunk driver. He was here that night. Who invited this guy? Hello. Whoa, you got a haircut! Looking short. Face reveal, the F-Spot exclusive face reveal right there, ladies and gentlemen. When one Koenigsegg is not enough, you have a second one. We have the Koenigsegg Agera RS Phoenix, full exposed carbon fiber, one of 25 RSs in the world. And then we have the full blue carbon fiber Agera R. Whoa, you guys might remember I filmed a video on the Phoenix about a year ago. This thing is so wicked. So the owner has this Koenigsegg, and he has another one in New Zealand, as well as a Agera on order. So yeah, we're gonna go out for a little photo shoot. Girth Nation, oh my goodness. I just got asked the greatest car question of all time. Would I rather drive the Pagani Huayra BC or the Koenigsegg Agera R? If it was your decision, in the comments below, which would you drive and why? Obviously, I mean, the squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron. I have never driven a Koenigsegg in my entire life. I don't know if I'm more excited or more nervous. The only goal is to keep it on the pavement, in between the lines, and return it back to that garage at the end of the night. Look at the body kit on this Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. It has the Mansory carbon body kit. That front splitter is insane. And check out these carbon wheels. This thing is sick. Whoa.
Koenigsegg Agera R. I cannot believe I'm driving this car right now. One of the struggles of hypercar ownership, they're so low to the ground, you have to reverse them down the driveway so they don't scrape that front splitter. It's something you have to do.
Oh my goodness. I cannot believe I'm about to drive this car.
This is the ultimate squad goals. We're taking 2 Koenigsegg's, a Pagani Huayra BC, a Urus, and a Cayenne, and we're just gonna ditch the Mansory Aventador and the Chrome Peak Panamera. All right, I gotta chill. I got my heart rate's a little bit spiked. We gotta chill. This might go down as the craziest thing I've ever been a part of. I have to figure out how to drive this. I can't even convey to you how exciting this is. This is like a childhood dream come true. We are driving a Koenigsegg Agera R right now. I was just hoping to have Raising Canes today, and we're driving a Koenigsegg. We're driving my dream car.
Somehow we have to start this up. This says start. Dude, what?
How is this happening right now? We're with Max Showstack, the world's greatest canyon carver, and I'm driving. You should be driving, Max. This is crazy. I cannot believe we are driving a Koenigsegg. We're leaving right now, so I just have to roll. I just gotta go. We're doing it. We're driving a Koenigsegg right now. This is really happening. This is real life. The speedo goes up to 280 miles an hour. I'm starting to freak out. Like, we are following an Agera RS in the driver's seat of an Agera R, 280 miles an hour. Okay, we just gotta sort of chill. I don't know how to. We got the emergency hammer right there in case of a rollover. Max, we're not gonna roll over. Like,
hopefully not.
It's not gonna happen. The rear view mirror, you can't even see anything. There's no visibility whatsoever. How is this happening? Like, I'm sorry for freaking out, but can you blame me? Like, this is just the craziest thing of all time. She is popping this evening. Wow. All right, this is our little secret spot, our photo shoot location. We made it to checkpoint number 1. We lived. We survived to tell this story. Oh my gosh. Wow. Unequivocally, the greatest car experience of my entire life. If I could own just one car in the entire world, it would be a Koenigsegg Agera. Oh, it's so mechanical. It has so much road presence, and to be following an Agera RS. She's still in one piece. We're good. I have a newbie. I need to make sure to close my door because the last thing we need is oncoming traffic to lose a Koenigsegg door. That would be a bad day, and today is an amazing day. I will never forget this day for the rest of my life. That is such a cool sound. Oh, we're back, baby. We're back. It was just a little pit stop. We got the fire extinguisher, not that we're gonna need it. We got the emergency hammer in case of a rollover, not that we're gonna need it. We have the single windshield wiper. Obviously, it's a sunny day here. Not really, but you know what I mean. I cannot believe this is actually real life. Like, this is my favorite car in the entire world. I never imagined under any circumstances I would ever drive one. I cannot thank the owner enough. Be sure to go follow him on Instagram. Not that he cares, but like, this is just surreal. The windshield is so low in this car, like I have to get my head way hunkered down to even see when the light turns green. The most visceral experience ever in a Koenigsegg. We got the Urus as the lead car. The turning radius is actually quite nice in the Koenigsegg. I don't think we've ever had a more appropriate views on views. We got the Agera R, we got the Huayra BC, and we have the Phoenix just doing a photo shoot right now. If we get canes tonight, we have achieved greatness. Like, we have checked every single box imaginable. Yeah, so we're just continuing this photo shoot. Sun is starting to set here in Orange County. We are lining up for the trifecta shot. I'm gonna be on the far right, the YRBC is in the middle, and the Phoenix is on the far left, and then the Urus is the camera car. So if I curb these wheels, they are full carbon wheels. I cannot curb them under any circumstance whatsoever. Carson is getting the shot out of the Urus, and Max Shostak, yes. Carbon canes and photography. We got the YRBC right there too. This is so, these shots are gonna be awesome, but it's a little sketch. They're gonna go get some singular shots of the Phoenix. We have the keys to the Pagani YRBC. This is actually the most rare car in the group, one of 20 worldwide. The interior on the Wyras is just second to none. We're gonna try to scoot on in and get a startup for you. The key splits here into two. The front part actually just rests right there. I'm going to put it in. Wait. This is like the ultimate spaceship. Oh, it sounds so good. So this has a twin turbocharged V12. This is so cool. So I drove a Wyra, a standard Wyra, maybe like 2 years ago. This is the BC, so it's got more power, more aero, less weight, and just that much cooler. Jeez. I am scared to go full throttle on a Koenigsegg. Like, it just has so much power. Obviously, first time ever driving it, but that thing is popping. I don't think in the history of the channel there's been a better views on views than this. Boys, we've made it. We have achieved childhood greatness. This is it. We can only go down from here. This is my signature shot. The squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron, and the YRBC. I don't think there has ever been a greater moment in my entire life. I have one goal in life, not really one goal, but one of my main goals in life is to own a Koenigsegg someday. I cannot thank Mike enough for letting me drive this car. I think we're going to In-N-Out tonight, so we're just rolling. Please don't hit me.
Don't hit us.
This is where I got hit by the drunk driver right here. Right here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Exciting news. I returned the car back home in one piece. Three-wheeling a Koenigsegg. So great. I just said that I survived and I got this car home in one piece. Now I'm going to maneuver the Phoenix around in the garage, but Carson, the legend, is gonna help me. So, never doubt full send. I have now driven, well, we'll get to that. Is that it?
You went too far.
Too far?
You went like 0.5 inches.
No, I didn't. No. We're good, right? We're good. We're good. We're good. He's just making me nervous. We're good. I thought we had the Bumble profile shot in the Agera R, but this is actually the Bumble profile picture. We are in the world's fastest production car in the driver's seat, and I just drove it. It counts. It counts. If I see any comments below saying it doesn't count, I mean, it sort of counts. Kind of. Now that both Koenigsegg's are safe and sound in the garage, both in one piece, I can give you my true impressions. The entire time driving the Agera R, all I could think, don't end up on the cover of MSN tomorrow morning. And, well, we achieved that. Sometimes in life, you have to say bye to the Koenigsegg's. Don't worry, I think we're gonna see both of them tomorrow. Well, we'll see at least that one tomorrow, maybe. I don't know how to really say this. We just had Korean barbecue and I didn't film any of it whatsoever, but we walked outside and just casually, we found a red LaFerrari, California. As if the day couldn't get better, one of 499 resale red Ferrari, the Ferrari. The adrenaline is now starting to wear off. I am exhausted mentally, physically, and emotionally. What a crazy, crazy day. I will never forget today. Like, that is an experience I have dreamed of for so long. We got the Brixton Forged wheels today too. Like, what a day. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.